Hello, good morning students. So today we are doing an activity to detect the fat in the given food sample. So for that we need groundnuts, muesli. Despite of groundnuts, you can take cashew nuts, kaju or almonds, badam. In next bowl we have taken the pulses, dal, and this third bowl we have taken the potato. Then in this experiment we also need a candle and a matchstick and the 4 sheets of paper. These are the 4 rough sheets of paper. If you are not having any rough sheets of plain paper, you may also take the newspaper. अखबार जो होता है घर में वो भी ले सकते हो या कोई भी rough white paper ले सकते हो. You can see I had also taken some rough paper from the okay. You have to mark A, B, C and D on your paper. Okay. Now let me begin the activity. On A, we are putting this potato. Okay. Then on paper B, we are putting this groundnut, muesli, crushed हुई हुई. On paper C, we are putting the pulses, dal, and on paper D, we are putting nothing because it's a control group जिसमें हम कुछ नहीं रखेंगे. Now next step is we have to fold the paper firmly and press it firmly. Okay. तो ये फर्स्ट वाला जो है I fold it, मैंने इसको फोल्ड कर दिया और मैंने इसको firmly प्रेस भी कर दिया. I pressed it firmly like this so that I could get a result. Okay, and I am putting it here. Now in next B we have put this groundnut. So अब हम इसको अच्छे से फोल्ड करेंगे और फर्मली प्रेस करेंगे अच्छे से so to get the desired result. ठीक है ना. अच्छे से इसको हमने प्रेस किया ऐसे करके ताकि हमें रिजल्ट मिल सके पेपर पे. इसको भी हमने रख दिया. Now in this C we have put this pulses. अब इसको भी हम फोल्ड करेंगे. We'll fold it and press it firmly as the paper A and B we have done. And the last is D, in which we have nothing, and we will fold it too and press it like this. Okay. Now let's see our results. Now this is the A. Let's open it. Remove this and you can see. With a close view, can you see any mark on this paper? No. No oily patches are there. So put it here. So that means potato is not having any oil. Now in this B where we have put it the groundnut, we are opening it and this is a groundnut. So we are emptying this groundnut in the bowl. Now on the paper, can you see the oily patches? Can you see this? That means these oily patches shows the presence of oil or fat in the groundnut. Now this is the C group. We have put the pulses here and we are going to empty it in the bowl. Now can you see any patch on this paper C? No? And last one is our control group. Now the last one is our D, in which we have put it nothing. Let's open it and here you can see there are no patches. So this proves that on group B, in which we have kept the groundnut and firmly pressed the paper, so we get the patches of the oil. These are the fat patches. This ensures us that groundnut consists oil or fat in it. Now, to confirm whether these are fat patches, we will do something more in this activity. Now, to ensure that these patches are oily and they contain the fat, so we will do one more activity along with this. We will burn the candle. Please do this activity with some elder at your home. Don't do it alone because it's a firework and you may harm yourself. So, here I lighten the candle. And now we'll see these patches in the candle. So I had seen the other paper, so to show that where there are no patches, the light is not passing through. Can you see? The light is not passing through completely. Okay. But when we have taken this patchy paper of oil, you can see a faint light is coming out of the paper. Isn't? A faint light is coming. Is it observable? So this faint light which is coming through the paper, this shows the presence of oil on this paper. Hence this ensures us that groundnut contains fat in it. Okay. So student, there is one more activity which can give us a knowledge about the property of a fat, or we can understand that the food substance is having fat in it. So what we need a paper. Now you can see this paper. This is a opaque paper. Opaque मतलब जिसमें से light pass नहीं हो सकती. ये paper है, इससे light pass नहीं हो सकती because it's a very thick paper. Okay, so you can see when I put the paper over here, can you read out the words written over here? No, you cannot. But when I make this paper translucent, you are easily able to read the words. So how I'll make it translucent? I'll take some butter, ghee, that is containing a fat in it. Okay, and this also ensures that ghee or butter is having fat in it. Okay, as we also know this, but it's an experiment which give a clear picture about this. So we'll take some butter. Okay, and now we'll rub it on this paper which is opaque right now. Okay, so I have taken, and I'm going to rub this. See, after rubbing, you can see the translucent patch has come. Now when I kept this translucent patch over here, you can read the words which has been written over here. Isn't? Can you read it out? Or I can show you like, see, this is the paper I had taken, which I greased it with butter. So the words. So now can you read the words now? It is clearly observable because in transparent the light, in translucent the light can faintly pass through. So as the light is passing through the paper, we can read out the words. This is because of the property of the fat, which when rubbed on the paper, it makes the paper translucent. Okay.